lovelies, how are you today? Join me as I unbox another stroller that I got from TikTok shop. So I thought it's high time we replaced our old stroller with something more durable. Now the kids are growing and it's just the little one that needs stroller. So we decided to go for something portable, something that can easily be folded, put at the back of the car, something that will still allow the kid to catch his own phone too, you know. So so we got this particular one, and that is the one that I'm opening now. It came with that sun thing, like if you don't want sun to be getting into the child, you have to put that thing. Then this is the portable stroller. It's very portable. I think that's even why I love it. I don't have to be struggling with so much things while trying to do school runs. So one of the things that I don't enjoy doing, to be honest, as a person, is do-it-yourself activities. I really don't like it. Unfortunately, it's the life that we have to live in this place. You have to just find a way to figure things out yourself. So I struggled to fix it, instead of me looking at the manual that came with it. I struggled to fix it. I tried and tried and tried until it occurred to me that, oh, a manual should come with this thing. That was when I remembered to check the box, and I found one tiny paper, not too comprehensive manual, but at least something that can that can guide me to set this thing up, this stroller up. But time was already against me because this was the day that we went to the library. So I had to abandon it and go and do other things. No time. I abandoned it. Then I came back later at night. At this time, I had watched some videos on TikTok to also see other parents that have the same stroller. I've watched the video to see how they coupled their own as well. So I think that made it easier. Like, I bought this thing from somewhere and I wasn't the first person. So I coupled it and we tried to have a little bit of fun with it before even finishing the assembly. So I put the baby inside. All of us take turns to push him around in the house, even though this was not meant to be indoor. But of course, why not if not? So we had fun pushing him around in the office there before I now put this thing that makes it look very comfortable. So there's this padded thing that came with it to make the child sit comfortably in the stroller. None of this required any tools or any equipment, any screw, whatever. None of them. They were pretty easy to couple. And that was it. I didn't put the sun cover this time because it was inside the house and there was really no need for it. So that should just be like an extra thing. The one thing that stands out for me for this stroller is the belt. I love how easy it is to belt the child. And as you can see, it's not really, it's suitable for a child of this age, okay? So I used the belt that came with it, and the following day we needed to go to the playground, and that was the first time we took it outside. My shoe, this my white shoe, is less than 10 pounds. That is my white shoe from TikTok shop. It's less than 10 pounds. I have linked it to this video as well in case you would like to get one for yourself. It's available in different colors as well. So that is the stroller. It's easily detachable to put the back of the car, the boot. You can see I was able to remove the sun cover and then fold this to put inside the car. Thank you.